Aloha from Japan. In this episode of Sincerely Dawn, I show you what happens when I use my Japanese fish grill for the very first time. Now, this video was filmed months ago, and since then I've used my fish grill for numerous things. I use it almost daily, and not for fish. This may be the only time I've cooked fish in my fish grill. And next week, I will be launching a video showing you tons of recipes of things you can cook in your fish grill that's not fish. But for this video, I cooked some delicious marinated mackerel. Enjoy! Okay, this is the first time using my fish grill. I'm gonna put water in the bottom, and you can kind of see the top and the sides. I don't think the sides are even getting hot. Oh. Okay, so it's heating up, and we have this wonderful marinated mackerel that I'm gonna throw in there. Wish me luck.